Yeah, so I want to pass on a little bit of a thing that I've learned. It works really well. What I do is I now clean my glasses with shaving cream. And I'm not sure if all types of shaving cream work. So basically I just cover the lens completely and I work in the spaces around the lens so I can get the dirt out. So I massage it in. Usually I wait 5 minutes, but I'm not going to wait 5 minutes because I want to get this video nice and short. So I work in all the edges, get all the dirt out. I do lots of grinding and cutting and doing all kinds of nasty things that get these glasses really messed up. And then try not to use too much shaving cream. It takes very, very little. And it gets in the edges and everywhere. It's very unusual, this shaving cream material. The only problem is if it's scented, your glasses are going to smell. It's kind of interesting how that works. And I haven't found anything that cleans these glasses better than the shaving cream itself. So I shake it off. Just use some paper towel, get again into the crevices. And you won't believe how clean these come out. It's absolutely amazing. Like there's not even a speck on them. It's like so incredibly clean. So that's how I clean my glasses. Just doesn't fit in my channel, but I thought I would pass that along.